How to boost up your PC's performance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you facing an issue where your laptop or your PC is running slowly? Then today we're going to explore some of the few methods to fix the problem. Alright, without any further delay, let's just jump right into the video. Very first thing you want to do is clean up your disk. So what you're going to have to do is open Run dialog box. You can use the shortcut Windows plus R key to open this up. If not, you can right click on the start menu and go to Run. Now here on your start menu, you're going to have to search for clean mgr and hit enter. Select your drive. I'll just select my C drive for now. Click on OK. And then it's going to calculate all the junk files that can be deleted. Here are temporary internet files. I have some Windows error reports and feedback designs. I can just select these as well. I have DirectX shader cache. I can just select that as well. You could also select recycle bin. I don't have anything on my recycle bin, so it's fine. You can select all of these stuff and then click on OK. And click on delete files. And it's going to help you clean some of these junk files, which might be causing the lag on your PC. The next step is to again go to your Run dialog box and then search for this folder called temp. Hit enter. Now you'll see all of these junk files that are not necessary. These are some files that do not take up much space, but still there are a lot of them, so it's a good habit to clear them out time to time. Press any one of them and press Ctrl plus A to select all, and then click on Shift Delete to permanently delete this. Doing so will make sure that they will directly be deleted without going over to a recycle bin. I'll just check this box and then skip a few. Once that is done, you can close it out and again open up your Run dialog box. Now this time, instead of temp, you're going to have to search for %temp%. So let's just do that. I'll just type in %temp%, hit enter. And here you'll find all of these folders as well. I'll just press any one of them, press Ctrl Alt, Shift Delete, and then press yes. And it will permanently delete these items. I'll just skip these that are currently in use. That's why I'm not able to completely delete them. Now, after this, you're going to have to again open your Run dialog box, but this time you can just search for inet cpl.cpl. Hit enter. It's going to open up your internet properties. And from general, you want to head over to these privacy content tab, and under connection, make sure that there are no proxy enabled. So if you head over to the advanced settings, you can restore the advanced settings if you want as well. So if I just go over to advanced and click on restore advanced settings, it's going to automatically restore all of the necessary settings. You can just press apply and then OK. And under connection, make sure that you have no proxy connected as well as any VPNs, and you'll be good to go. Now, once that is done, you can close this out. And then there's one last thing you can do is to disable unnecessary services. You can just go ahead and open up services, search for it. And once you open up your services, at the bottom, you'll find two tabs, extended and standard. If I just go to extended, you can scroll down and head over to Windows Update. Go ahead and right click on this and go to properties. Make sure the startup type is automatic. Now click on apply and then OK. After doing so, your PC will get frequent updates if there are any available, and then it won't be lagging anymore. That's basically it, guys. These are some of the things that you can do to fix your issue. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.